Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. Today we're going to be working on this 2017 Honda Odyssey. If you're looking to do this, you can go to navtools.com. That's where I got this. I'll go ahead and put that up on screen. And they have different years, makes, and models. So usually in these SUVs, they tend to make it where you can't replace your double din radio with a aftermarket one, which is really annoying in my opinion. But luckily there are alternatives like this. Same with the Dodge Journey and other cars. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you'll get a box like this from www.navtool.com. It's all made in America. Now let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get. So don't let this be daunting to you. We're going to walk through it. There's tons of wires, but they're all just plug and play. Genuinely very easy. He made it very simple, and it's pretty awesome that he can do that. So we got all these that we're going to be hooking up, and essentially they all connect back to a main harness. Okay, so once you got everything out and you're looking inside the box, they give you instructions here depending on what vehicle you got and all that. But right here they have their tech support, so you can give them a call at any time if you have any troubles with this. So far I'm really impressed. The only thing I think they need to work on is their website, and I have heard some bad things about their customer service, but I've never had to deal with them, so I can't comment on that. But what we need here, first and foremost, this is our module. This does everything that we need it to do. And right here, all of these will always be shipped blank. You have to install the program, which I'll show you. It tells you to go to config.navtool.com. You can scan the QR code. This will give you manuals and tech support. So let's go ahead and jump in. There is a little micro USB. That's what we'll be using to connect it to our computer. So go plug it up and we'll follow along. Okay, so we're just going to go up here to our search bar. We're going to type in config.navtool.com. Okay, so once we're here, we'll go ahead and connect our module up to our computer. There we go. We can already see that it came up as car interface. So we'll hit click here to connect device, car interface, connect. Alright, so now we just hit our make, which is a Honda model Odyssey, and it's a 2017 automatic transmission. Hit search. Now we gotta pick which one is ours because it works with both. So you got your dual screen Honda Odyssey, and without navigation, without touchscreen. Okay, so now that we're done with the computer part of it, let's go ahead and jump into the car and start taking things apart. Okay, so the only tools we'll need is a plastic pry tool and then a Phillips head screwdriver. So to take all this apart, we're going to have to pop this plastic piece off here, this one off here, and also this one. So we'll take our plastic pry tool, we'll just stick it in here. That came out really easy. As you can see, it's just held on by these clips, so it should come off really easy. We're going to do the same thing over here. Just pops right up. Be gentle, don't break nothing. There we go. We're just going to go ahead and disconnect it right here. So just push this in, pull it out, set that off to the side. So now then we're going to take this off right here. Once again, just get your pry tool, come behind it. There we go. Okay, and that will all come out. There is some connections right here, so push down, pull out, push down, and pull out. And we have this final one here. Push down, pull out. And there we go. Now we have all this open space to work with. Now then, to actually get this radio out, it's actually going to get caught right here. So we need to loosen this. We don't have to take it out, but we need to loosen it. So start right here. Got another right here. Once again, 2 more. Okay, so first we need to take out these 2 clips right here. Just get your pry tool, pop them out. Just like that. Okay, so coming to the passenger side, exact same thing. There we go. Okay, so for this part, you're just going to grab and pull it out. It has little push tabs here. I'll show you in a second. So those are what those look like right there. There's 3 of them. We just want to pop it loose so we have room to move the radio. Okay, so now that we got the other side, we'll just pull back here, pop it loose like that. Now we have plenty of working room right here. Okay, so all we have left is these 4 8mm bolts. These ones up front are a little bit shorter. Okay, it's ready to be pulled out. Okay, so to pull this out, we're just gonna pull straight out just like that. We don't want to strain those wires, so I will get something to hold down here. Okay, so at this point, it's just mainly finding out which ones go where. So like this one matches up with this one. So we'll unplug it. Snaps right in. And then this should snap into here. Just like that. So that's 1 down. Now you'll have a gray, a green, and a gray. This gray gets removed. Take a pry tool and just do that, makes it easier. Now then, to replace this, okay, so then you'll find this. It'll have 2 cords in there, and what we'll do is we'll put 1 cord here, and then the other one will go up there. This one matches up with this one, so we'll just plug it up. Perfect. Now then, we just keep doing this. One of them is this bottom one down here. So we'll find the matching one, plugs in, and we just run this one back to where that was. Perfect. Now you'll have this one with a lock tab, so you just push that in, release it. Same thing with the actual OEM one. Push in. It releases. So we'll just take this, plug it into here, and it locks in. And we'll just take this one here, plug it into here, and then it'll lock itself in just like that. Okay, so last we have this one. It's the green one. It says don't connect to your nav tool. So as you can see, it could fit right into there. That's not what we want. Our Bluetooth module is right here. So we're going to unhook it here and do like we did on the others. So just okay, so now connect that. Okay, so if we look there, we have it plugged up and the other end plugged into where it was plugged up. So finally, we come to our main harness. We're about to hook that up in just a minute. And we still have this cable right here and this one. Now this one, with your module here, plug it in. And now you can run this for a wired version of Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, whatever. If you are going that route, I would use the 12-volt outlet down here, replace it with a USB charger. That way you can just hook it up here and then it'll automatically connect. But we're not going to use it for this install. And then we're going to get out our main cabling and connect all these to one cable. But we will connect up all the rest of these. So we'll just connect that just like that. Okay, so we got green to green down here. Plug those in. If you're adding video, you would use these, see rear camera input, yada yada. But we're not doing that, so it's okay. So now then, we got one more to hook up. There we go. Now that we have everything connected, before we actually put it all back together, we're going to try it out. So we're going to go ahead and hook up our main plug. So our main plug goes right there. We have power there. And we're just going to stick this up here for right now. Like I said, we'll make everything look nice and neat afterwards. Just want to make sure everything's working at this point. Okay, so I've actually had to really try to get support from and everything else, and I can say that their customer support is just awful. Awful, awful, awful. This is a great product. I finally got it to work on my own, but I can't stress to you how bad their support is. But with that being said, let me show you what we got here. So okay, so looking back here, we disconnected this gray one and plugged it in to this female connector. Now this one goes all the way around and connects right here in the middle. And then you'll plug up the other one that's a male adapter right there where the other one was, and you'll run that one to this one. As for everything else, it was just like in the video, just connect it up, and it's simple as that. So other things I had to do to get this to work is we'll go back to the home, and you got to have it on aux. So that's the first thing you need to know. It has to be on aux. And then you're going to hold back, and that will take you to your Apple CarPlay. But it won't right off the bat. The very first time you use it, I'll show you what it does. Okay, I know it's a little hard to see, but this is what you'll get in the beginning, it'll say iOS, Android, Home, or Settings. If you click iOS, it'll tell you to go to Settings, and then go to Wireless CarPlay Settings and connect your device. Same with Android Auto. So overall, this is a really cool upgrade. I think it's overpriced, but I do give him all the credit in the world. He's made it as plug and play as it possibly can be in my book. Customer service sucked, but in the end, it's well worth it if this is what you need for your car. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.